Bali Maharaj was a devotee, but he was actually attached to his power, position, possessions. So the kind-hearted Lord, to favor his devotee, appeared especially to favor him, take away all his material possessions and his mind as well. Firstly, the word Hari means to take away our miseries. I'd like this point in the purport. Hari means the Lord. Hari means that aspect or that form or feature of God that takes away all the miseries of his devotees. Without God consciousness, without awareness in the service of Krishna, our lives are miserable. So much anxiety, so much hankering, lamenting, so much disturbance, no peace, no inner joy, no hope, satisfaction. And maybe he takes away money or your reputation, friends, whatever. But the main thing is that Krishna gives us his love and his eternal engagement, which is a perfection of happiness, joy, and fulfillment. Shukracharya was worried because he was self-interested. He was not interested, as we heard earlier, if someone is satisfied within, fulfilled within themselves, then they have no personal interest. Shukracharya was dependent on Bali Maharaj's patronage. Bali Maharaj was his jajaman. Shukracharya was the family priest, guru advisor, the purohit. So he was. This is the example of a selfish person. The Smarta Brahman. Shukracharya is the classic Smarta Brahman attached to Vedas, Karmakanda, material pleasure and elevation and sense gratification. So he was afraid if his jajaman, of his supporter, of his life member, Bali Maharaj, offered all of his possessions to this Vamanadev, then that would cause havoc, not only to the king, but to the family of Shukracharya, who depended on Bali's mercy, or let's say Bali's money. So this is the difference between a Vaishnava and a Smarta Brahman. Smarta Brahman is always selfish, interested in material profit. But a Vaishnava is not selfish. He's unselfish. He's not selfish. He's not self-interested. He's interested only in satisfying Krishna. It was very clear that Shukracharya was only interested in personal gain. Later, Shukracharya is explaining about how the Shastras say that money should be divided into five parts. Dharma, Artha, Kam, fame and family members. Dakfa. That's the key, Dakfa. D-A-K-F-F. 5. D for Dharma. Money or assets or wealth should be divided. One who's in full knowledge should divide his wealth into 5 parts. D for Dharma, A for art, K for Kam, F for fame, and F for family members. So this is Dakfa. One part of our wealth should be used for religion, Dharma, one part for reputation or fame, one part for opulence, wealth, art, one part for sense gratification, Kam, and one part to maintain the family members. At the present, however, people are ignorant. They spend all their money for the satisfaction of their family. Rupa Goswami taught by his own example. He divided his wealth into 3 divisions. 50% used for Krishna, 25% for himself, and 25% for his family members. So this is enjoined in Shastras that, of course, family members are expecting some profit from the breadwinner, the father or husband, whomever. So therefore, one follows the Shastra and gives a portion, at least 1/5, to the family, the wife and children, mother and father, etc. But nowadays, they give everything. Even the classic stories are there. You meet different husbands, fathers, men, etc. Preach to them about giving a donation to ISKCON for building a temple or distributing books or cow protection, care for cows. Life adoption program, 1.5 lakhs. Maintain a cow for life after life after life. But they say, oh, Swamiji, I work. My duty here is I work. And when I get my money, I get the paycheck, I come home and I hand it over to my wife. And my duty is to work, make the money. Her duty is to spend it. So I don't have any money. I work, I give all the money to my wife. So this is 5/5, 100% given for family maintenance. Nothing for fame, nothing for wealth, nothing for religion. And this is the problem in Kali Yuga.